Foxtrot Tango Roma Bravo, Bowen Island, 2,400, squawking 0045, transfer your zone for boundary base.
Foxtrot Tango Romeo Bravo, Harbour Tower, the altimeter 3020, cleared eastbound Point Atkinson, 3rd Beach, and the south shoreline, 2,500. Traffic just along the north shore, westbound Cessna 172, 2,000.
You're looking for traffic, Tango Roma Bravo.
Motel Alpha, your flight plan will be closed on landing. Caution, there's an untrustworthy rental boat there just coming up on the prow eastbound, land west, your discretion.
Thanks for that, Sally Motel. African site, Tango Roma Bravo. Roger.
India Tango Hotel, traffic about 2 miles south of Snug Cove, that's the east side of Bowen Island there, opposite direction Cherokee, 2,500.
Looking for the traffic, India Tango Hotel.
Foxtrot Lima, Lima, change on route, see ya.
Foxtrot Lima, thanks for your help today, sir. Oh, he's hitting on a right side, please.
908, continue to follow the caravan in the downwind, clear line, heliport.
Clear line, following the traffic, I was hitting on the right. Good afternoon, Harbour Tower, Cessna 152, Gulf, Quebec, Oscar, uniform 2,500 feet, coming up to the north end of the second narrows, requesting North Shore through the seashell with information. Foxtrot.
Quebec, Oscar, uniform, Harbour Tower, afternoon, Chris, cleared as requested, 2,500.
Hello, Dave, Quebec, Oscar, uniform, good to hear you.
India Tango Hotel, traffic, Snug Cove, southbound Otter, 2,000.
Looking for the traffic, India Tango Hotel. Harbour Tower, Oscar November, request E180 cancelled.
Australia November, cleared as requested, are you inbound for landing after this?
Hey, firm, landing after this, Oscar November.
Australia November, at Granville Island, descend approved, cleared right downwind.
Oscar November.
Juliet Charlie Delta, change en route, Burrard Common is 123.2 today. India Tango Hotel, traffic got passed earlier, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, southbound Otter, 2,000.
Turning northbound.
India Tango Hotel, Tower, roger, that should keep you clear of that traffic, change en route, Housebound Common, 123.2 today.
123.2, thank you for your help, India Tango Hotel.
Tango Romeo Bravo, traffic 8 o'clock, 1 mile southeastbound Otter, 2,000 feet, you'll see them pass below you.
I'm looking for traffic, Tango Romeo. Harbour Tower, Harbour Express 307, coming up to Eagle Harbor, 2,000, request full scoop. Got traffic off my left and one at my 12.
307 Harbour Tower, the one at your 12 o'clock there is Cherokee at 2,500. They're going to head to 3rd Beach in the south shoreline. You're cleared into Falls Creek, 2,000 feet.
Falls Creek, 2,000, 307, thanks. Traffic inside, Tango Romeo, problem. Roger.
This beautiful Cessna Grand Caravan is somewhat of a new addition to Harbour Air and was purchased new in 2017 and started her service in early January 2018. She has ident Foxtrot Lima Hotel Alpha and is serial number 208B5418. This Cessna Grand Caravan was manufactured in the United States by Textron Aviation. She's a beauty. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the lounge at the Vancouver Harbour Flight Centre in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Welcome aboard, aviation enthusiasts. I'd like to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Corrie, your seaplane spotter extraordinaire. I'm thrilled to take you on this exciting seaplane spotting adventure where I offer you a front row seat with a first class ticket. The adventure takes place at the stunning aerodrome with the airport code Charlie Yankee Hotel Charlie. This airport is the busiest water aerodrome of its kind in all of Canada. Welcome aboard!
Harbour Tower, Dave, Quebec, Oscar uniform indicating a balmy 18 degrees at 2,500 feet. What the heck?
17 down here.
Something, eh?
For now. Charlie November, caution, there's an eastbound boat there just off the Chevron bar, just fooling around.
Yeah, check that, thanks, Officer November.
This DHC-2, the Havilland Beaver, is operated by Gulf Island Seaplanes, and it has the ident Foxtrot Oscar Charlie November and is serial number 44 and was manufactured in Canada in 1948. I don't even want to do the math on that one.
Charlie November, south of all your discretion. Out of Bowen Island there, opposite direction, target 2,300 feet. There's another one there not displaying altitude. Change en route now, and we'll talk to you later.
Welcome. Have a great rest of the afternoon and a better evening. Quebec Oscar uniform.
Trust 307 to 180 approved, send approved. Clear down great.
180 in descent. Trust 307.
I am grateful you found the lounge at Vancouver Harbour Flight Centre today and you took the front row seat with a first class ticket. Thanks for coming along on this exciting aviation spotting adventure today. I would be appreciative if you would give this video a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There are over 180 long form videos and shorts in the Planes playlist. My channel is just a small reflection of me and what my monocular vision sees. Have a look around the playlists. I have lots of great content, other than just seaplanes. I have a thing for things with wings. Well, truth be known, I love all things mechanical. I have a real thing for nature. Heck, I even like to eat and have started posting food reviews. Thank you for your support. I am truly grateful.
Vancouver Harbour, Canuck Delta Zulu Alpha. 2,500 feet over Bowen Island. We're going to transit through your zone to Pit Meadows with information Foxtrot.
Delta Zulu Alpha, Harbour Tower, is that call for Foxtrot?
Foxtrot Delta Zulu Alpha.
Foxtrot Delta Zulu Alpha Tower, Squawk 3051.
3051 Delta Zulu Alpha.
Delta Zulu Alpha, the altimeter is 3021, not showing an altitude on there, confirm 2,500?
Just cycled the transponder here, how's that?